If you're wondering what does Bluetooth 5.4 mean for Redmi Buds 6, first of all, it's the newest Bluetooth protocol on the market, let's say, released in 2023. And what it does, it offers you better security when using your earbuds and connecting them to other devices in crowded areas. Also offers lower power consumption and faster data transmission. The biggest upgrade is a new feature called periodic advertising with response. In shortcut, it's PAWR, which also improves real-time communication between devices. Now, let me tell you about Bluetooth 5.3 and Bluetooth 5.4 differences. So, in simple terms, this means more stable connection, better synchronizing, and improved audio performance, especially in crowded areas. Then, let me just point the things that are actually important for you. So we have a stronger connectivity, fewer disconnections when moving around. This just allows you to not worry about your earbuds disconnecting randomly from your phone, as in older Bluetooth protocols this may happen. Of course, there's always possibility of that happening even with 5.4, but it is basically lower. Then we have lower latency, a key benefit when it comes to gaming or watching movies, as you will hear sound almost instantly. Keep in mind that for Redmi Buds 6 standard version, they don't offer gaming mode or lower latency mode and etc. They basically don't have that thing. But anyway, the low latency mode latency should be low on itself. Next is better power efficiency. It will provide you with longer battery life compared to other older models. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.